welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you how to install a dressing mirror. Okay, so this is a dressing mirror which I had in my room, so I'm gonna fix this in my mom's room. So these are special mirrors wherein the holes will be on the mirror. So you can see there are 4 holes in all the 4 corners. So while installing this kind of mirror, you should be very careful, and you can't use a normal screws for this. There is a separate screws for this kind of mirror. I'm gonna show you those screws also. Show you the screws. So you can see these are the screws. Okay, these screws will have a cap, this kind of cap. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna like put this screw, like first you have to drill it. Once you drill, after putting the gutter, you're gonna put the screws. Once you tight this, then you're gonna put this cap. So this is how it will be covered. This is how the finishing looks like. So these are the separate screws. You can ask for the mirror screw. You can just tell them that you need a mirror screw. You'll get in 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and like 1.5 inch, 2 inch. Also, I've bought this 2 inches mirror screws. So I'm gonna install this. So first, the main thing is a marking part. You should be very careful while marking, because it's not a normal thing. It's a mirror, so even there is a gap, or if one wrong marking, the complete glass will break. So I have installed it earlier, but I could not make a video. Now I'm going to use this mirror, install it in another room. So let's see how it goes, because this thing should be installed very careful. Most of the case, like 30% of the case, where it will damage the mirror. I'm going to show you the safest way how you can mark it. You need 2 people for this, one to hold while marking and one while installing. So I'm going to take help of my mom. So I'm going to install this over here. So always the dressing table or dressing mirror should be near to our light, which will be directly facing on your face. So this is the bulb over here, so the light will directly face on my face, wherein I'll be standing here. So that is where I can see my reflection in the mirror. So that is how it should be, the concept of putting a dressing mirror or dressing table. So there's a light over there opposite. The light will reflect on my face, then I can see it on the mirror, which I'll be fixing over here. So it's time to install it. So this is very risky part, where make sure your hand is not wet. Okay, straight idea. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ, ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹೈಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಮಾಡಿ ಅಮ್ಕಿ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಮ್ಕಡೆ ಅಮ್ಮಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಆಡಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನೀವು. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ
ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಗಿದೆ
Guys, so you saw how I took my mom's help, and I made a mark. So strong person is gonna hold this. Okay, the thing is, you have to put your pressure on the glass and hold it on the palm. If you have a glass holder, it will be very good. I suggest you guys to use it, because I don't have a glass holder now, so I have used my bare hands. So I made myself, my hands are clear. Okay, I mean there should not you should not have a sweat or a water in your hand so to make it slip. So my hands is dry. That is where it was holding like a rubber. So I hold it. I made sure I'm like constant on that. Then I asked my mom to make a mark. So I have 4 marks here. Now it's time to drill it. So once I make a drill, and then I'm gonna use the gutta and I'm gonna fix it. So it's time to keep this mirror safe. So it should not be. It should always be in a flat surface. If you're making stand, make sure you don't give too much of gap, and you have to just put it to the wall and just give only 1 or 2 inch of gap. That's more than enough. So something else, and I'm gonna drill it. Let me take it a little closer. So, concentrate it back. So everything is set up, everything is ready, time to drill it. So be very careful when you're drilling a hole. Some use a plastic gutta, but the thing is for plastic gutta the hole should be very perfect. So one small mismatch is gonna spoil the complete thing. So this wooden gutta, no issue if the hole size is big, you can just use a bigger gutta and close it. So I'm not going to use direct these screws. So I have taken other like spade screws. I'm going to make a hole. I'm going to screw it up, then remove the screw. Then I'm going to use this screw because here I can't hammer it. I have to only tighten it by the screwdriver. So no hammer at all while fixing the mirror. Should be very careful. So I'm going to use the screwdriver to remove this. So for that I need a star screwdriver. The 2 screws I have fixed, so it's time to put the mirror and check. So I have made 2 marks, so I'm going to hold the mirror, try to fit this. ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಅದೂತಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈಯಾಗಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು ಸರ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ
दोन खूप नको दोन ते मोठं
इसे बेल करा वीडियो ಮಾಡ್ತಾ good that's good so you can see now mirror is standing. It's time to match the bottom holes. I'm gonna take these two. There's one extra non-mirror screw so I can match and set it. Okay. Fine. Hammer, put it. Hammer. You should be very careful while doing this. One wrong hit gonna completely spoil your entire work. So I've used the machine screw, not machine screw, the wooden screw to make a mark. I'm using the last mirror screw. Make sure the screw nowhere will touch the mirror. Okay, so it's time to use a screwdriver and tight it. So from now, no more hammer at all. finally I'm done. I've installed it successfully, and these are the 4 plates which has to be installed. This thing, the caps. There's a bit of play, so now I should be very careful. There are very much chances of breaking glass. Okay, so now the installation of the mirror is completely done. So you can see, so there was little bit of crack, but still I tried my best. So everything is installed, and here and here. So it's just time to clean the glass and start using it. So this is perfectly done, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll make sure I'll make this video very short because it's almost 20 minutes of process. You need a lot of patience to hold the mirror and fix it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope this was very useful to you. And please do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much for your love and support, where I have reached 40,000 plus subscribers because of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm exhausted. Catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.